Okay, so I had a bit of an issue. Not paying attention. That's why it's important to have things set up properly. And you know, me being a beginner probably has a lot to do with it. So I had a crash, and just as expected, I was actually lucky that the plastic pieces that came with the copter, these actually came with the frame. So there were four of them. So there's still one, and then there's another one left on there. The other two just ripped off and they flew somewhere. But they broke off on impact. Probably because of the weight of everything else that's on here. And it broke right off, but it's good. Everything else works. I plugged it in. The only other thing is just some of the wires, they just basically ripped out. They unplugged, but nothing broke. They just came apart a little bit on impact. So that's not a big deal. I can replace that and then just set it up. But I'm actually glad that I had it out flying. We had a good weather, so I had it out flying, trying some of the settings and things like that. And I also had my computer with me. I had it set up, and was actually the telemetry was capturing everything. It automatically recorded a log and of the whole flight. So I'm just going to go through that. Look. Okay, so I got a copy of the log, which automatically actually it's saved to the computer since I had the computer running in my car. So I'm just going to load this log. I have it on the desktop. Okay, and
mode change to stabilize.
The actual crash is right towards the end.
Mode change to stable.
Let's turn that off. Okay, but yeah, so this is where the log is, and just looking at that, I have determined that that's what the issue was. It was the battery was actually, let me actually disconnect that. The battery was really low, and that's what actually led to the crash. I don't have an external alarm on it, and I think that's probably one of the next things I should invest into. Yeah, so I wasn't aware that the battery was actually low, and that's why it led to the actual crash. Yeah, so here's the actual footage. So right after, as you can see there, so I took off. This is the baseball diamond. So I was basically just situated just over here. So I had the car parked, and I was facing north, I would say. And you can see the battery's already at 10 volt. It's already low, and I'm flying. I'm hovering around. I'm flying. And then that's just where it crashed. So the battery dropped so low that it just crashed. So this would be this probably when I lift it off, so I'm just going around a little bit. And it's a 9 volt 8, and now it's just dead.
Okay, so I'm just taking off now, and just trying to keep it up in the air and stable. And it's just gonna go.
How'd you do that?
Just gonna go around.
do that
I'm
now?
actually not doing much
How'd you do it?
input right now.
Adjust the setting.
Just hovering.
In a little bit, right?
And
At
at this point, it's just starting to drift a little bit, and I'm just
you got it, homie.
trying to adjust for that. And just immediately, it'll just have it so quick right here, just dies and
Oh,
it just
shit, you
falls
got
out
it,
of the
homie.
sky. And that's it.
Yeah,